Hello everyone, it's me Asika Giri from Software College, currently studying ethical hacking and cyber security. So now I had recently made a tool website blocker. So I want to represent you in front of all of you guys. So it is also based on the my programming and algorithm coursework also. So first of all, I want to give a short and sweet introduction about my tool or website blocker. Website blocker is a Python application which is a desktop tool for managing and blocking website by their IP address. It is built by using the Tkinder library for GUI and SQL LCME for managing the database backend. The application allows user to create the list of websites, blocking them by adding firewall rules and include the user authentication for access control. So this is the short and sweet introduction of the my website blocker. So what are the key component I used while creating the website blocker? So this is the Tkinder which is UI based, and I have made SQL LCME for SQL LCME sockets, sub process, etc. This is the main, and I want to give a short and sweet introduction about my key component. First one is data setup and SQL LCME. It has to create. It is used to define and manage the database, which consists of three tables. First one is block list, second one is block list site, and last one is users. First one, block list site, is used to store the different list of the website to be blocked we want to block, and second one is website blocks website blocks site. Then the block site is the main working principle of block site is it stores the website by the IP address associated with the each block list. And last one, the user table stores the user credential for authentication. Then after second, this is the key component of database setup with SQL LCME, and second one is GUI with Tkinder. The GUI is built using Tkinder and organized in a table tab based interface. And first one, what I made a three tab. First one is manage list, second one is user login, and third one is user authentication. First one, manage list, has to allow the user to create a new block list and manage website within the within this list. And second one is user login. A user login has to it has to log in the login screen for user authentication. And last one is a tab 3 setting. It has to placeholder the additional setting or features. It has to add a new features or settings as additional settings. So this is the GUI with Tkinder. And third one is a user authentication. User can log in via a dialog that collects a username and password. Successful login grants access to the application features, while failure login attempts are met with a error message. This is included in user authentication. And fourth one is managing the blocking website. Users can create a new blocks list and add features to this website. IP addresses are stored in the block list tables. When the user choose to block the website for the selected list, the program execute commands to add firewall rules using the Windows utility, effectively blocking this website. And last one is blocking IP address. It runs system commands to blocking incoming traffic from the listed IP addresses. These are my key components while I built while creating the website blocker. So now I want to show you the overall code and how it works. How can we work with the how it works? So I can show you practically. So first of all, I want to describe you about it, then I show you practically. So first of all, we have to start the application. Then after this app initialized with Tkinder Windows containing three tabs: manage list, user login, and setting. And then after user login, before Second, user login. Before managing any block list, the user needs to log in using the credential stored in database. And third one is managing block list. After logging in, the user can create a new list, a new website to them, and select list to the block their select list and add to the them, and select list to block their associated IP address. And this is the second steps. And last one is the blocking website. The selected website IP address are converted and stored in the database, and the corresponding firewall rules are created to block these IPs. So this is the overall working principle of website blocker. Now I want to show you practically how it works. So first of all, we have to run this code. So you can see here there is a 3 manage list, user, login, and settings. So first of all, I have to create a new list. Social media, yummy, block list. In social media block list, we have to enter here some of the website, like the Twitter website, then after Facebook login website, URL of this website we have to store here. Then after Instagram login website, now we can easily see the output website added to the social media block list. This is the working principle of a website blocker, which we can easily see here. This is the overall code explanation. This is the overall working principle, which use a certain libraries, certain key components, certain GUI, and which use different tabs, like for tab 1 for manage list, tab 2 for user login, and tab 3 for user authentications. And it manage different blocking and managing websites. It use different set of functions to set up it. Diff function for authentication user, diff function for apply table list. So login windows, then diff create table. It creates different tables. It use diff function to create different tables, different block list, user authentication, to login into an IP address. It uses different functions. So this is the overall code, overall instruction, overall key components, overall working principle, and follows of applications. How can we use it, how it is important for us, how it makes our life easier, faster. So by using this, we can easily block any website as we want. It makes our work faster also. It is overall important, very important for us. So we have to use it once in our life. So at last, I want to say that this tool is very useful for user who needs to manage network security by controlling access to the certain website. So overall, we all should try once in our life if we want to block anything. So this is the overall code explanation, overall definition, overall working principle, overall how to use it, what are the key libraries are used, etc. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys once try it in your life. So thank you, have a nice day.